The next paper is May June year 2022, which I have already told you. We're going to start with the new paper. May June year 2022, variant is 41 here. Okay, you have 1 hour 15 minutes to solve this paper. Let's start with this one. Now, a list of a substance is shown here. We have a list of a substance. We have to give the answer. Let's start with the question number 1. 1A. It is a reactant in the photosynthesis process. Which one is the reactant in the photosynthesis process? Yes, students. Reactant. The photosynthesis process is what? In which the oxygen gas is produced. Am I right? Carbon dioxide gas is used. The use of a carbon dioxide gas. So if the carbon dioxide gas is a use, so the reactant for this one is a carbon dioxide gas. Now the next one is the main constituent of a bauxite. Which one is the main constituent of a bauxite? Is a aluminum oxide. Now, are the two products of a fermentation? What are the two products of a fermentation? One is the carbon dioxide. The one of the products is the carbon dioxide, which we have just studied in the MCQs, and the other one is the ethanol. Okay, is used as a fuel. Which one is used as a fuel? Ethanol can be used as a fuel here, not other hydrocarbon is present, means the organic compound which is present here can be used as a fuel. Only the ethanol is present as a organic compound which can be used as a fuel here. Is a gas used to convert iron into the steel. We have to convert the iron into steel. So is a gas. The gas is used to convert the iron into steel. So which of the gas is used here? Oxygen gas is used here. Am I right? The oxygen gas is used in the reaction in the extraction of iron. Okay. So the oxygen is correct answer here. Now, now the next thing is a greenhouse gas. The greenhouse gas are those gas which traps the carbon dioxide gas. So the greenhouse gas is here is carbon dioxide gas. Is a gas that is approximately 78% in a clean air. The clean air contains the nitrogen gas. Is a form of a carbon. Which one is a form of a carbon? Diamond is only the form of a carbon here. Now, question number 1 is complete. Let's move forward. Atoms are made of a proton, neutron, and electron. Atoms of the same element are known as the isotopes. Complete the table. So we have to complete the table here. The charge for the electron is 1 negative charge. Okay. And the charge for the neutron is 0. Relative atomic mass of a neutrons are 1 and the relative atomic mass for the proton is 1. Okay, if you give the correct answer for these two are correct, then you will get the 1 marks for this one, and if you give these two correct, then you will get the 1 marks. Got it? So keep this in your mind. Now the next one Here are the two isotopes of a magnesium. We have to complete this table. The number of electrons, both are the isotopes. The two particles are in the isotope form, means the atomic state, not the ionic state. So the number of electrons are here 12. So 12 here, and the 12 atomic number is 12. So the proton and the electrons both are 12. For the first one, the mass is 25. Good, Ahmed. You are giving the correct answers. Very good. So the number of neutrons for the first one is 12, and for the second one is 13. Now, here again, if you give the correct answer for the first row, you will get the 1 marks here, and the correct answer for the second row, you will get the 1 marks. Okay. Explain why magnesium ions have a charge 2 positive. Why magnesium I have a charge of a 2 positive? We have a three different answers here. Two more protons than the electrons, means the two positive. This two positive indicates that the two more protons are here. Okay. Two fewer electrons than the proton, means the two electrons are less than the protons, or the 12 protons and the 10 electrons. So these are the three answers here. So you for in the first answer which is come in your mind is that the two positive indicates that the two more protons than electrons. Now, they are asking only for the charge of a 2 positive. They are not saying that why the 2 electrons are lost by the magnesium. So for that purpose, we will write the to become a stable ion. Okay, Ahmed? For that, we will write the to become a stable ion. Got it? Now the next thing. Magnesium ions have the electronic structure of a 2,8. Give the formula of the following particles which have the same electronic configuration of a magnesium ion. Cation which have the same electronic configuration. So we have a sodium. We can give the sodium here. Acha, remember, for these types of question, when they ask you to give the same ion, same atom, same cation or the anion or the noble gases, you have to look in the same period of that element. Same period of that element. Whenever they ask you the question like this, so you have to search the same period of that element. Okay. For the cations, if they are asking you for the cations, then the cations are present in the group number 1, 2 and 3. And for the anions will start from the group number 5, 6 and 7. Okay. And for the noble gas are all present in the group number 8. But what you have to do, the noble gas must be in the previous group. The noble gas is from the previous group. Previous, not the previous group, sorry. Previous period, not the same period. Previous period means the magnesium. Here are the how many electrons? The total electrons are now here 10 electrons. So the noble gas that have the 10 electron is the neon gas. Okay, in the same period of a magnesium, the noble gas is the argon gas, which have the 18 electrons. Okay, now for the anions, fluorine, oxygen, and the nitrogen. Sorry, not for the argon. Yes, yes, I am right here. Now, now for the magnesium with the 2 positive. So again for the anions you have to check the same previous period here, not the same period. Only the cations will belongs to the same period, and the anions are belongs to the previous period as well. So the 2 and 8, 2 and 8 means the 10 electrons. So the 10 electrons are complete by the fluorine, oxygen, and the nitrogen. So we can select any one of these. Oxygen with the 2 negative here. Then the atom which I have already told you, the noble gas. So for the noble gas, the neon. Got it? Any question here, bachcho? So let's end the class here.